In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on TikTok ads. Navigating the digital world of advertising can sometimes lead to the need for a refund, whether it's because of unsatisfactory results or an accidental overcharge. Whatever the reason may be, getting a refund for your TikTok ads shouldn't be a daunting task. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently manage your advertising budget. First and foremost, you'll need to head over to the TikTok ads platform. You can do this by simply typing the URL ads.tiktok.com into your browser's address bar, or searching for TikTok ads on your favorite search engine. Once you're there, you're at the beginning of the process to potentially get your refund. Upon arriving at the TikTok ads homepage, your next action is to log in to your account. Look for the login button. It should be quite visible and usually is located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you closer to your goal. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This means typing in the email address and password associated with your TikTok ads account. It's essential to ensure that the details you input are accurate to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in accessing your account. Once you've filled in your email and password, it's time to click on the login button again. This should be straightforward, but remember, if you've entered any details incorrectly, you may need to re-enter them to proceed. Now, TikTok takes your account security seriously, so the next step involves a bit of verification. You'll likely be presented with a CAPTCHA challenge to prove you're not a robot. Complete the CAPTCHA as instructed, then click Confirm. This is a standard procedure on many websites to ensure user authenticity. Following the CAPTCHA verification, you might need to go through an additional security step. TikTok will send a unique code to your registered email address. This is to further ensure the security of your account. Check your inbox for this code, enter it into the provided field, and proceed. The next step requires you to navigate the TikTok ads platform a bit. Look for the Tools tab. This tab is part of the navigation menu that helps you manage various aspects of your account, including the settings where refunds can be initiated. Under Tools, find and click on Account Setup. This section contains essential details about your account and where you can start making changes or requests, such as for refunds. In Account Setup, dive into the Basic Information section. This is where your account details are housed, and accurate information is crucial for any account adjustments or refund requests. Now, for the action that leads us to our main goal, click on More Actions. This drop-down menu will have several options, but you're looking for something specific related to account adjustments. Within the options provided under More Actions, find and select Close Account and Refund. This is a crucial step, so review any confirmation messages that appear carefully to ensure you understand the implications of closing your account and the process of getting a refund. Finally, press Confirm to initiate the closing of your account and the refund process. Confirmation of this step is vital as it finalizes your request for a refund. After clicking Confirm, follow any additional instructions provided by TikTok to ensure your refund is processed correctly. And just like that, you've successfully navigated through the steps to request a refund for your TikTok ads. It's important to remember that processing times for refunds can vary, so keep an eye on your email for any correspondence from TikTok regarding the status of your refund. Navigating the digital advertising landscape can feel overwhelming at times, but with guides like this, you're never alone. Managing your advertising on platforms like TikTok becomes less daunting, allowing you to focus more on creating engaging content and less on the logistical hurdles. Whether the refund is for an accidental charge or you didn't see the results you were hoping for, knowing how to manage your investments on advertising platforms is an invaluable skill in the digital age. Remember, keeping a close eye on your advertising campaigns, budgets, and the results they yield will always be crucial. Optimizing your approach and understanding the ins and outs of platforms like TikTok ads not only saves you money, but can significantly enhance your marketing strategy. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on how to get a refund on TikTok ads. Stay tuned for more useful guides and tips to navigate the digital world more efficiently.